Hello once again, welcome to Heartbeat Info. So it's so nice to have you again on Heartbeat Info. So on this walk, we're walking inside the ring road, and more just if you dey observe am now, you go see say rain just fall finish. The rain like don't not forget say this one na rainy season now we dey for Benin now. So you go see say everybody hold umbrella and everybody dey try to shield the rain because the rain just subside now. So now make you see people dey waka up and down, see dem dey rush, say dem wan quick reach where dem dey go. So right now say make we just see video this place and make we go see the most see this place, and this video go end for Holy Cross Cathedral. And that Holy Cross Cathedral now you go see where beggars, these people when they come from north, when they beg, now they full that place well. So I say make we just see waka, make we see that this place from here to that place, make we see how it looks like. So make we just see am. So I want to say a big welcome to you to Heartbeat Info. If this is your first time of coming to Heartbeat Info, I want to say a big welcome to you. And if you have been here before, I want to say a big welcome to you. Welcome to Heartbeat Info. So I say make I just observe this big building now. This particular building now, it don't take for here, and they not even dey sure say they go even do this particular building, say they go even paint am. I just pray say one day say they will paint this particular building. So you go see say this man sef say he trouser say he don fold am because you know say for inside Benin it things that you no know wetin you go jam. You fit go jam erosion. Maybe this man don pass one place when water really full and he have to just raise his trouser up. Like me now my shoe that dey wear since the shoe don dey wet now, the shoe don dey get issues now because of say I dey waka most time when I dey waka I dey meet rain, and sometimes I dey pass inside water, so that's why my shoe now no dey spoil. So that's why like you see say even the man now say he don himself come even try raise him own trouser up. So I say make we just check this particular mission road, make we see am, because right now when we dey on a mission road na be this particular side now. So you go see say for this mission road now say most time na plastic and wholesales dey sell for this particular mission road. So one year right now you go see say water no too gather for this particular side wey we dey. So but if we go the adjoining street e no too dey like that because of this environment, but some as you dey waka so you see where water for still gather now, but we never really see where water for really gather. And now e be like say na nika na everybody go dey wear right now. So now you go see say water dey gather for this place now. You will still see that place now, see you fit see that place now say e no really neat like that. So make we just continue to dey waka for this mission road side, and you dey see say the traders now say they don start to dey shade their things come out again, because as rain start, all of them comot their things wey dem dey shade, dey pack am back inside the stores. But now as the rain don stop now, you come see say they don dey pack their things dey come out again. The see water for here now, look at water gather for this particular place. Now you go see say these people dey for inside water dey load things, so everybody wey need am for that place. The only issue when really the only issue wey dey really pain me pass for this water na say the shoe wey I see dey manage the shoe I see dey manage dey the waka, because most time shoes dey tight person for leg wey person dey waka. So the one wey I come see finally see wey no too dey tight me as I dey waka, because of say too much water now, the thing come dey spoil now, the thing don dey get hole now small small. So I don do am go make miss one, but now the thing dey don dey spoil small small, and the thing don dey smell. So now once I reach house now na to put am for outside, because I no fit carry enter house again because the shoe don dey smell, and na to see wear am come out again tomorrow now. So I just pray say maybe at least tomorrow now say sun fit shine, so I fit put the shoe for outside if sun dey shine. Right now I wan not forget say na rainy season na we dey for Benin right now, na rainy season na we dey. So now all this particular side na dey for dey say electronics, especially computer and mostly computer and all these keyboard and all those things. So if you wan buy all those keyboard and all those computers and this particular side, then you could just come, and maybe you come Benin and maybe you wan sell old laptop, because these people still dey buy old laptops for this particular side. Like I say no, I know, because e don tey when one of my laptop come get issue, the one I use for school, so e come get screen problem and one problem like that. So na this place na I come sell the laptop. That time I come sell am for I think for 10,000 naira. Laptop wey I buy with big money that time when I dey for school, na I come there, because although say the laptop I use the laptop well well, I rock the laptop well well. So na this place na I come sell am. If you get old laptop wey dey for house and you wan sell am, and maybe you wan sell am that very day where you suppose come sell am.
and wipe am make your body dey kampe. If you dey get staph and other infection wey dey waka all over your body, dey scratch you, dey bite you, sometimes e go be like say you go kill am. If you dey get krokro like candidiasis, everywhere go dey krokro, for church you go dey krokro, for market you go dey krokro, you dey blow mess anyhow, or you get infection wey dey
So
inside your
this
body, or you
particular
dey see am.
people now
Come
they say
collect
this
this
thing
life
now
and don herbal
they
cleanser,
say
make e dey
about
like this. E
medicine,
get some people wey
about
no
drugs
get
they
breastfeed
say.
pikin, but water dey
So
come out from their
most
breast.
time
E no
they
good, make
say
collect the
it is
medicine.
NAFDAC
Come collect this
registered,
Evidon
and I
herbal
think so.
cleanser.
Say
If you no dey
NAFDAC
sleep well for
really
night, or
registered
you dey
them,
get sleepless night due to overthinking
but
and
me no they
overstress,
take on.
if your pikin no dey sleep well for
I
night
know
due
they
to
take all
overthinkness,
this
come
kind of
collect
medicine. They
Evidon
hard for
herbal
me to even
cleanser.
take
If you
medicine.
dey
Say
get cholesterol, you dey get fat for your chest or for your belle, if belle no be big man no, use this medicine to neutralize the fat wey dey for your belle and get flat tummy. Even if you no get chance to do exercise, with this medicine you go dey fit like JJ Okocha and keep you very younger. You no fit read well because of jams. Take this medicine so that you no use eyeglass in future. If you be woman, you no dey see your period, or whether your period dey jump from date to date, or if you see am the color no good, or if you dey see am your belle go dey bite you, or when you say you no go feel comfortable, you can't feel happy, you can't do your work very well. If lecturer dey teach for school, you no dey understand. This ogbonge medicine no be the answer. Remember, every woman wey no dey see period very well to take in na wahala o. If you too dey eat sugar things, you sabi drink beer, people dey tell you say make you take am easy. No worry yourself. This medicine go neutralize the sugar.
we go see say for here now
so that
say
in future
water
you no go worry anything
still dey
like sugar
gather
sickness again.
for
And also
this
in the morning
particular
you go
side,
wake up gra dey do your work. If
and
you
that
dey
junction
all
wey
the
they see
time,
so
you no fit
na
work
they
very
call
well. If you
Nevis
dey waka, your eyes go dey turn.
Street.
Your body dey hot all the time because say your immune system dey down. Use this medicine to boost your immune system. If you dey get problem of infertility, man no fit perform very well, woman no fit take in. This medicine wey be Evidon herbal cleanser na the solution for
So
this
now
kind
this
problem.
place now they
Yes,
call
country people.
Nevis.
The land of sickness, infection, and the time of medicine.
And we don't fit waka for this Navy Street. So if you want to see that Navy Street, you fit go check and you go see say this Navy Street, we don't fit waka for this Navy Street. So we don't dey get close to the Holy Cross Cathedral. So this cathedral now you go see many northern people when they come Benin come beg. Now this place now you go see say they come. So this place you go see say many people they come here just to come give them food, because most people they come cook, they'll come give them money and everything for this place. And this place now Catholic church. We don't fit enter inside this Catholic church before. Just for one video we write for Mission Road, just write type Mission Road, you will see the video. We don't fit enter inside this particular church. One time when we go do Benin side, so we don't fit waka for inside this church. So we don't get to Holy Cross Cathedral. So I want to say a big thank you to everyone supporting Heartbeat Info. I want to say to meet again for another walk. Have a blessed day and remain blessed. Thank you very much.